Hi, I'm Shalini. I lead HR for a few global teams here at Maersk, and I have the absolute pleasure of being with one of my really good friends, Sumit. Sumit is our latest HR leader here, and he's building something called the PPO. And Sumit, I have to tell you, I've had so many of my friends more recently ask me what this PPO is all about, and I have a lot of questions from them. So I thought I'll ask you a few of them and get your thoughts and opinions about this. What do you think?
I'm very excited to answer these questions for
Yeah.
you. But before we start,
Yeah.
you've been in this journey longer than I have been,
That's true.
right?
Yes.
So why don't you share about how all of this got conceived?
Yeah.
What are the benefits that Musk
Yeah.
derives out of it?
Yeah.
What was the core business plan behind
Yeah.
this?
Let me start by saying, 2.5 years ago, right, when I joined, the whole idea was to take the culture that we'd already built. We were in 130 countries doing this amazing work, right? And make it a little bit more streamlined, a little bit more deliberate, if you will. And we all know Merce was going through such a big transformation. And the most important thing for us as an organization was also to transform HR almost before transforming business. So that way, when the teams came into the transformed organization, that HR was already ready, already transformed. And I kind of joined at a time when all of this was already happening.
Wonderful.
But the thing we realized, it was interesting. We're in 130 countries, and we were almost doing things in 130 different ways, if you know what I mean. So then we realized that giving one employee experience was one of the core things we wanted to focus on. Hence the idea about PPO, hence the idea about hiring new people who could actually take this strategy, take this dream, and make it a reality. That's how all of this started. But I want to start with you, right? This is all
Yeah.
about PPO. Tell us really what PPO is all about and why do you think you joined this team and what excites you about this?
That's $1 million question, Shalini. So PPO is a new operating model of HR at Maersk. So today, as you rightly said, that we operate in about 130 countries in 130 different ways.
Yeah.
As Maersk, we are looking at giving one Maersk experience to our customers.
Right.
And if you aspire to do that, it is absolutely imperative that you provide the same experience to your internal customers, which are your employees.
Yeah.
And that's what PPO is. It's like a platform function
Yeah.
that will service multiple legal entities
Yeah.
within Maersk
Yeah.
across various countries.
Wow.
So this is a new operating model,
Yeah.
and we're very excited about it.
Amazing.
Coming to your second part, what excited me to join Maersk?
Yeah.
I think many reasons, but if I were to pick up the top two or three, I think the first reason is the culture of Maersk.
Yeah.
I spoke with few friends of mine before joining Maersk. They had absolutely good things to say about Maersk.
Great.
So which is fantastic. And even if you look at our our value system,
Yeah.
the tenets that we have there, that's something that connects to everybody.
Yeah.
The second thing was about this tremendous opportunity
Yeah.
that we have
Yeah.
of transforming HR at Maersk at this scale.
Right.
And the third one is an ability to work with very talented global peers.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
these are my three reasons why I joined
Yeah.
Maersk. And I'm very excited to be here.
Amazing. And those were mostly my reasons to join too. But as we were all thinking about PPO, there's also this question about operating model that you spoke about, right? Would it be too different from what we have today? Would it be too far away from the actual buzz of business, you think?
No, the model will be different,
Yeah.
but it will not be far away from business. And as we said, right, so business is a group of employees.
Yeah.
And we want to be close to our employees and
Right.
give them a great customer experience. And that's the tenet around which the entire HR transformation is happening.
Yeah.
So there'll be three teams.
Yeah.
So one is the HR business partners,
Yeah.
second is the COEs, and the third is PPO. The HR business partners will work with senior leaders in preparing the business for the future. The COEs will establish global standards.
Yeah.
So take talent acquisition, training and development, rewards,
Right.
etc.
Right.
And the PPO teams will be the teams that will be working alongside with business partners,
Yeah.
with the business and the COEs to bring this strategy in action.
Awesome.
So the three pillars will work very cohesively
Yeah.
to give that one HR experience to our employees.
So it's different, but it's not far away.
It
That's
isn't.
becoming more closer together. The way I view it.
Absolutely.
I have to tell you, I worked in Accenture. It was a shared services. And sometimes there is a not so great perception of shared services. Do you feel like this is that?
So let me start by saying that there's nothing wrong in being a shared services. Every function in an organization is built for a purpose. Having said that, PPO is not a shared services. So if you look at the basic principle around which the shared services are built, shared services predominantly are built around rule-based work.
Yeah.
But in PPO,
Yeah.
we have a combination of rule and discretion.
Yeah.
And if you look at all the functions that we have, take talent acquisition, it's like an end-to-end responsibility from need identification to fulfillment.
Yeah.
Take rewards, market benchmarking, every single thing, the annual salary review cycles, etc.
Yeah.
If you take the people partners work with the HR BPs and the business stationed on the ground.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of rule and discretion, and hence it's not a shared services model, but it's a different model in which Maersk is taking the HR function to.
Yeah, and for me, where I sit, I think about it as we come up with the strategy to support business, and then this entire team of HR people are come together and making the strategy come to life, and I think that's really, really powerful.
Absolutely.
But if I asked you, a few of my friends asked me, why should they join PPO? What would they get out of this PPO? What would they say? Top 2 things you think?
I think there are many reasons to join PPO.
Yes.
So first is, I would say, why should you join Maersk?
Yeah.
That's the first part.
Yeah.
I think I would encourage people to read more about Maersk,
Yeah.
to talk to their friends who are working at Maersk, and to know what this organization really stands for.
Yeah.
I'm relatively new to Maersk,
Yes.
and the last few months that I've been here, I've totally enjoyed the journey. It's such an inclusive workplace where diverse thoughts are listened to and valued.
Right.
So your individual identity is celebrated.
Yeah.
So that's one.
Yeah.
As far as PPO goes, I think PPO, as we said, it's a brand agnostic model.
Yeah.
So take APAC PPO. We are servicing, we'll be working with our businesses in 28 countries
Yeah.
within APAC.
Yeah.
Multiple functions.
Right.
So if you look at the kind of opportunities that this will throw up for
Yeah.
you,
Yeah.
are immense.
Yeah.
And the third thing is, when you go through such large transformation, the journey itself is an immense learning experience. And with the scale of Maersk,
Right.
it is something that people will absolutely cherish
Yeah.
as a bullet item in their career graph.
Nice. So correct me. Like I'm going to think about 3 things that I want to tell my friends so they can join us. Right. The first thing you said that I'm excited about is the learning opportunity.
Totally.
The second thing is, and it's global. Like even I joined here because I've worked in India for a long time, but I want to be able to work in other places. And I feel
Yes.
like you're saying that there's going to be global opportunities. Third, and the most important for me and everybody else, is the culture. Like I think I get to be me and the best version of me every single day I come to work. Then I feel like that's the most important thing. So I'm guessing there are various ways people can apply.
Yes.
But all the best on your journey. And I'm guessing it's going to be an amazing time to join Maersk, but more importantly, join PPO. All the best, Sumit.
Thank you, Shalini.